Hi there, I'm Natalie. I'm a professional chef and a mom of 2 little girls who love their sweets. One of our favorites is chocolate cupcakes with lots of frosting. Nutricia carries a low-protein chocolate cake mix. It's easy to use and also delicious with lots of frosting. But traditional buttercream frosting can contain milk or cream, which may add too much protein for someone following a low-protein diet. So I'm going to show you a low-protein buttercream frosting that you can make at home, plus some tips and tricks on how to decorate your cupcakes like a professional. Okay, we're going to make our buttercream frosting. We have a half a cup of margarine that's softened. We will add that to the bowl. Next, we have 2 cups of powdered sugar. And you want to use powdered sugar instead of the granulated. It'll help with the texture. That's how we get that creamy buttercream texture. You don't want it gritty. 2 tablespoons of non-dairy whipped topping, vanilla extract. So I have 2 little girls who love purple. So we always tint our frosting some color. If you're making this for a birthday, you can use whatever color of your choice, or for a special occasion or a holiday, St. Patrick's Day, Valentine's Day, 4th of July, whatever occasion you'd like. So you want to mix your sugar into the margarine until it's fully incorporated. This does take a little bit of time, so you have to have patience, or you can recruit the little hands in your house to help you. This is a good activity for them to help out in the kitchen. They always love stirring, and licking the spoon after, of course, is their favorite part. You can use a hand mixer if you like as well. So the Leprofen chocolate cake mix is really simple to prepare. You just add oil and sparkling water to the dry mix. The sparkling water is key. That's gonna help give it that fluffy texture. So the cake mix is low in protein, but big on taste. So our frosting is looking perfect. It is nice and smooth and creamy, and our margarine and sugar are fully combined now. We're gonna add a couple drops of our purple food dye here. And this is an all-natural food dye, so it's not gonna be super bright purple. Once it's all mixed in, it'll be like a nice pastel. Okay, so we're gonna fill our piping bag with the frosting. I have a disposable bag here that you can buy online or at a local craft store. If you don't have one of these, you can always use a plastic bag, but today we're gonna use this. I have a tip, and first we will put it right into the bag. So if you don't have a tip, don't worry. All you do is cut the end off. So we will cut about 1 inch from the tip and shove it right down in nice and tight. So we are going to fold the top layer over like this and get your hand underneath there. So you're creating a hole to fill. And you want to make sure there's a nice overlap so that way we don't make a mess when we fill. So we scoop up our buttercream frosting and shove it as far down as we can, just like so. So we're gonna start with just a couple of scoops. You don't want to fill it all the way to the top. You can always add more. At this point, we will go back up to the top, like this. And you want to squeeze it down so that you have a nice section up here with no frosting. Because once you squeeze, you don't want the frosting to come out to the top. A great way to keep it contained is to tie a rubber band, especially if kids are doing this, so that you don't have an explosion of frosting. Okay, so we have our piping bag, and with one hand, you want to squeeze so that you have control. And you start on the outer edge and just gently go around in a circle around the edge, and then move upwards until you hit the top, just like that. And at this point, the best part, in my opinion, are the sprinkles. It makes everything more fun when there's sprinkles All right, so again, you have a nice firm grip with one hand. You start on the outer edge and slowly go in a circle around the edge, moving upwards in a slow motion until you reach the tippy top. You pull away and add our sprinkles for whatever festive occasion or not festive occasion. Just like that. For more low-protein recipes and tips, check out nutritionmetabolics.com.